Vitamin C, also known as L-ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that is naturally present in some foods, added to others, and available as a dietary supplement. Your body needs to maintain healthy bones, skin, and muscles. Humans, unlike most animals, are unable to synthesize vitamin C endogenously, so it is an essential dietary component. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, so you need to eat vitamin C-rich foods regularly or take a supplement to make sure you always maintain adequate levels. Good food sources of vitamin C include lemons, papaya, strawberries, orange juice, kiwi, bell peppers, cantaloupe, broccoli, and other types of fruits and veggies. We will see their vitamin C value later in this video. Most people easily get enough vitamin C in their daily diets. Contrary to popular belief, vitamin C does not prevent colds, but it may help shorten the duration of the common cold if you take a supplement regularly. A deficiency of vitamin C was a cause of scurvy, swollen, bleeding gums, loose teeth and poor wound healing, in sailors and others who had diet lacking in fresh citrus fruits and vegetables. Let's know more about high vitamin C foods. Guava. Yellow and red fruits are usually credited with having high vitamin content, but guava is a fruit that stands tall as an exception. A single guava fruit, weighing 100 grams, has over 200 milligrams of vitamin C content, as per the USDA, which is almost twice as high as that in an orange. Pineapple. Pineapple is an underrated nutrient powerhouse. The fruit contains huge amounts of vitamin C. A mineral which is rarely found in natural foods, manganese, is also found in pineapple, making it a great addition to the diet. Strawberries. Strawberries are known for their antioxidant properties all over, but they are also a rich source of vitamin C. Their vitamin C content is slightly more than that in a single orange. Kiwi. If you're looking for a healthy snack option or a way to add green to your diet, kiwi fruit is the way to go. Just one kiwi fruit contains up to 84 milligrams of vitamin C, along with other vital vitamins such as vitamin K and D. Mango. Mangoes are naturally high in vitamin C and beta-carotene, and thus help in boosting immunity as well. Green mangoes actually have more vitamin C content than their yellow or red counterparts. Papaya. Papaya is best enjoyed fresh, whether as a salad or in the form of a juice. Half a papaya, if eaten raw, provides a significantly higher amount of vitamin C than a single orange. Broccoli. Apart from being a great vegetable for maintaining overall health, broccoli is also a great naturally occurring source of vitamin C, which helps repair damaged tissue and maintaining a healthy immunity. Kale. Kale has a number of health benefits, and one of them is being high in vitamins C and K. A delicious kale juice is the way to add it to your diet, or can even be replaced in pesto sauce, in place of basil. Red and yellow bell peppers. Red and yellow bell peppers are super rich in antioxidants, which help in maintaining eye and heart health. They also contain high amounts of vitamin C, which boosts collagen level and may help to prevent lung cancer too. Impressive ways vitamin C benefits your body. Vitamin C is important in the formation of collagen, blood vessels, cartilage and muscle, and so it helps to maintain the integrity of many body tissues, including the skin. Vitamin C is important in the formation of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that are important for signaling in the nervous system. Vitamin C is important in the formation of carnitine, a chemical that supports the transport and breakdown of fatty acid to generate energy. Let's see the benefits of vitamin C. First is effect on common cold. Vitamin C decreases the severity of cold and flu attacks. It lessens the nauseating effects of common cold, including inflammation and a runny nose. It not only controls the allergy that causes cold but also shortens the duration of cold. It is a known fact that vitamin C tends to boost your immunity. Effect of vitamin C on better skin. The formation of elastin, a compound which thickens, protects and heals the skin cells, depends on vitamin C levels in your body. Elastin keeps your skin healthy and glowing. If you wish to have a better skin, load up on vitamin C foods and get a glowing skin like never before. Effect of vitamin C on hypertension. If you are dealing with high blood pressure, then vitamin C-rich foods may come handy to you. Incidences of abnormally high blood pressure can be lowered by the regular intake of vitamin C. Effect of vitamin C on stress. Stress is one of the most common conditions, thanks to the rushed world we live in. Vitamin C helps a lot in dealing with typical indicators of physical and emotional stress. It also decreases the level of stress hormones. Effect of vitamin C on fat metabolism. Stomach fat, or abdominal fat, is fatty tissue around or inside the abdominal cavity. For proper fat metabolism, regular intake of vitamin C is essential. Vitamin C helps in boosting your metabolism and thus keeps your weight in check. Effect of vitamin C on collagen production. Collagen is a substance that is naturally produced by the body. However, the production of this substance diminishes as people grow older. Vitamin C plays an integral part in the production of collagen, which therefore decreases wrinkles and also the symptoms and signs of aging. What is a vitamin C deficiency? Symptoms of a deficiency of vitamin C includes fatigue, mood changes, weight loss, joint and muscle aches, bruising, dental conditions, and dry hair and skin. Over time, a lack of vitamin C in the body means that new collagen cannot be formed. This also causes various tissues in an individual's body to break down, and it also affects the repair of cells. Severe deficiency of vitamin C can lead to a disease called scurvy. How to know if you have a vitamin C deficiency. Diagnosis of vitamin C deficiency requires special blood tests, but the main condition caused by deficiency of vitamin C is known as scurvy, and it's currently very rare. Scurvy was described by the ancient Egyptians, and it was a leading cause of death during long ship voyages in the Industrial Revolution era.